Let's look at how you enroll students into the boarding section within the system. So for you to do so, ensure you have scrolled your page, rather the menu, until you get to the boarding section. Then click on the Enroll Boarding button. This window is going to pop up. As you can see, this window, at the top we have the title. Below that, we have a few details that you need to note. Below that, we have a section where we are able to search for the students by the admission number. Then below that, you'll be able to see a table holding all the students that their boarding status has been activated. So what usually happens before a student appears in this section, you have to activate their boarding status and the student will appear here. So as you can see, we have one student in this list. So every time you click on this window, it is going to show you all the students who are enrolled in the boarding section. So the reason why it is a two-step process, it is because we assume that a school would have two people managing admissions and another person managing boarding, so that once a student status is changed to boarding, whoever is in charge of the boarding section will come and assign the student a dormitory and will also record the date of enrollment. So as you can see here, we have Phyllis. This is a student who has been enrolled to boarding. You can see she's female. So based on this information, we can now know if the right dormitory we need to assign them. So here I'm going to select Mount Longonot, and you can see on this drop down, we're able to see the dormitory name and the occupancy. So after enrolling Phyllis, all these number, if I select either of them, this number will drop by 1. So if I go to Mount Sinai, it will be 14. From 14 to 13 now. Mount Longonot, it will go to 33. Sinai, it will go to 2. And this dormitory called Test will go down to 998. So I'm going to select Sinai. Then the date of enrollment, I'm going to leave it as it is. Then I'm going to click Save. So now what has happened is that Phyllis has been assigned a dormitory. So it is known exactly which dorm they are in. So that's how you do it under Enroll Boarding section.